Hey Brad, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlotta if you're new here, and in this video I'm gonna share a quick crafting haul of the materials that we will be using leading up to Halloween, which is in 2 weeks. So I got a few workshops coming up and I've just done an inventory and I wanted to share some ideas and some materials with you. So keep watching. So first over here we've got the most traditional one, which is the pumpkin. And we are using mini pumpkins so the kids can paint them and decorate them. These are super cute and they were only £1 each, so I bought the kids one each that they can decorate. I also found these fun stickers, which are like faces ready, so they can stick these ones on. Take the eyes and the nose, the mouth off. They had quite a few of different ones of these, so we'll be using those to decorate these cute little pumpkins. And then we got some recycled materials, so the kids will be making haunted houses out of recycled materials, and then they can add all of these stickers on them, some glitter, pom-poms and whatnot. Then we got these glitter markers. We got these pipe cleaners, which we'll use to make spiders. And then we got these coloring ins and cutouts, more stickers. This one was a craft that I shared already earlier. It is, let me show you, pops out like that. So that was in previous video, you can check that out if you want to make that one. And then we're using this kind of cups. I think we'll make some ghosts or whatnot. Let's see what we come up with. So as for those ones, we're using poster paints, glitters. I think we'll put these candles inside the haunted houses so the windows will be lighted up. These ones were also quite cheap from a crafting store. So yes, that is what's coming up. We also got this, you can't see it so well, it's hidden underneath the pom-poms and whatnot. So this is a face mask made out of a paper plate. So you simply cut out the eyes and then you decorate it into a pumpkin or into a skeleton, a skull, or whatever you come up with. So paper plates are quite good for that. And then we got Sharpies if they want to decorate the pumpkins with that or paint them. We got poster paints over here. And then we are making face paints with this. This one is a very good quality one, so I think I'm gonna do a review for this brand coming up as well, and I can show you how to use these in next video. But yes, that is all I wanted to share with you guys today. And if you want to see how these crafts turn out, do join me on Instagram under @LDN Art Nanny. That's where I share all the kitty projects. So these ones will be made with the youngest artists and then shared on Instagram. Okay, thank you for watching and I hope you're well, and I hope to see you in next video. Bye bye! Ha det bra!